Hey, boy, I'm tired. I ain't gonna even lie. We just getting started. So I got the guys over there. They're moving the ground cover, and they're using shovels, and it's pretty rooted. Hey, I'm looking at it. Hey, it's just like a shrub. So I'm about to put this articulating hedge trimmer. Put my hedge trimmers, and we're gonna cut it out. No more shoveling. We're gonna make it smarter, not harder today. Yeah, I feel like this hit different when I'm not doing the grading. I usually always be doing the grading. You got the man, the myth himself. Got Renee on the skid steer, knocking out the grading. So he doing his thing. Check him out. Check out the work. Check him out. Check him out. Oh, he flat. He is flat. Look at him. Just look at him. Look at Renee. They getting it in. Yeah, he ain't playing with that grade. He ain't playing. Ooh. This. You want to get one? Yep. Yeah, we're gonna cut this down. I know nobody's business. Nobody's business. Yeah, easy. Hey, boy, I'm tired. I ain't gonna even lie. We just getting started. Hey, so they was over here trying to pull this right before I got back here. I went and got the hedge trimmer. And what we're doing is cutting this like a carpet. You cut into it, down, and you start cutting over. And it uproot it. See what they're doing now? You get one guy pulling it. He got the HS56. So that thing cut pretty good. But we're gonna finish up here.